Okay, in the last session, we'll see how to draw the acceleration polygon for this particular mechanism. Already in the last session, what we will learn? How to draw this velocity polygon. And in the last session, very important thing is Coriolis component of acceleration. Now, here we will start this acceleration polygon from the link OB. So, here link OB rotates with uniform angular velocity. So, it has only one component of acceleration, that is radial component of acceleration. So, radial component of acceleration of b with respect to O is equal to velocity of b with respect to its square divided by length of link OB. So, for this we have to take the scale and then we have to draw the vector, that is which is parallel to link OB. So, direction towards the center point O. So, first mark the position of point O dash and then draw the vector O dash B dash. So, that is radial component of acceleration of b with respect to O. Okay. Then here we consider next point is radial component of acceleration of A with respect to point Q. Point Q is fixed, so it should be coincide with O dash. So Q dash which coincide with O dash. Okay. Then here first we have to draw. Now first we have to find out radial component of acceleration of A with respect to Q. So is equal to what? Velocity of A with respect to Q, its square divided by length of AQ. So velocity of A with respect to Q, this value we will get from this velocity polygon. Okay. So draw the vector which is parallel to QA in direction towards the center, towards the point Q. So draw the vector Q dash X, which represent radial component of acceleration of A with respect to Q. Okay. Then another component is tangential, so which is perpendicular. Here we know its direction only, we don't have its magnitude. Then next one is what? Now acceleration of slider B with respect to A. So its tangential component means that is a Coriolis component of acceleration. That is important thing. That is Coriolis component of acceleration of B with respect to A is equal to 2 into velocity of B with respect to A into omega of link AQ. So velocity of B with respect to A, this value we will get from this velocity polygon. Then you have to find out the velocity of link AQ from also velocity polygon. Okay. Now here then we have to decide the direction of this Coriolis component of acceleration. Now from this figure here, this is the direction of that velocity of B with respect to A. Then here direction of rotation of link is clockwise. So we have to rotate this velocity vector V through 90 degree in the clockwise sense. So this is the direction of velocity of, this is the direction of Coriolis component of acceleration of B with respect to A. So draw the vector from point B dash Y B dash, which represent Coriolis component of acceleration of B with respect to A. Then another component is radial component. Radial component of acceleration is perpendicular to this component. So draw the vector from point Y. So this angle is 90 degree. So point of intersection of these two vectors, that is the point A dash. So join the, so this represent radial component of acceleration of B with respect to A, and this represent tangential component of acceleration of B with respect to Q. So join A dash B dash, which represent total acceleration of B with respect to A. Join A dash Q dash. This represent total acceleration of A with respect to Q. Then we have to find out the position of C. Then again we have to use the same ratio, that is Q dash C dash divided by Q dash A dash is equal to capital Q C divided by capital Q A. Okay. So from that we will get the value of Q dash C dash. Then here draw the, here we have to locate from the distance Q dash C dash, locate the position of point C dash. Then acceleration of D with respect to C. So radial component of acceleration of d with respect to c is equal to what? Velocity of d with respect to c. It's square divided by length cd. Then here the direction is what? This radial component of acceleration is here direction towards the center. So draw the vector from point c dash. Direction towards the center. So this c dash z, which represent radial component of acceleration of d with respect to c. Then another component is tangential, which is perpendicular. Then last is linear acceleration of slider d. So slider d, which is moving along in the horizontal direction. So draw the horizontal vector from point o dash. Here o dash, q dash. So it intersects this vector which has been drawn from point z. So this point of intersection is d dash. So here we will get acceleration, tangential acceleration of d with respect to c, and here we will get linear acceleration of slider d. So this is the acceleration polygon. So this is the procedure to draw the acceleration polygon for this particular mechanism. But important point is that here Coriolis component of acceleration of b with respect to a, its magnitude is 2 into velocity of b with respect to a multiplied by angular velocity of link aq, and its direction is decided by this procedure. So this is the direction of velocity of b with respect to a from this diagram. So here it is radially inward and direction of rotation of link aq is clockwise. So we have to rotate this velocity vector to 90 degree in the clockwise direction. So 2 into v into omega, this Coriolis component of acceleration means this here vector y b dash. So this is the procedure. In this way we can solve the problem on Coriolis component of acceleration. Thank you very much.